Why is algorithmic bias a problem in data mining? Imagine a computer program making decisions that affect your life, like approving a loan or choosing a job candidate. Now, what if that program is unfair without even realizing it? That's what happens when algorithmic bias appears in data mining. Data mining is about finding patterns in large amounts of data using algorithms. These algorithms help us understand trends and make predictions. But if the data they learn from is biased, the results can be unfair or even harmful. Bias in data mining happens when the data used to train these algorithms doesn't representing everyone fairly. For example, if most of the data comes from one group of people, the system might work well for them but poorly for others. This can happen because of how data is collected or labeled. Sometimes, the data reflects old stereotypes or social inequalities. When that happens, the algorithms pick up those biases and repeat them in their decisions. Bias can also come from how the algorithms are built. Sometimes, the way the program is designed makes it favor certain outcomes or groups. Developers might unconsciously include their own assumptions when creating these systems. If the data samples are not randomly chosen or are skewed, the results won't be accurate for everyone. This is called sampling bias. The consequences of biased data mining are serious. In hiring, biased algorithms might unfairly reject resumes from women or minorities. In finance, they might charge higher interest rates to certain groups. In law enforcement, biased facial recognition can misidentify people of color more often. These issues can deepen social inequalities and cause legal or ethical problems. When we look at tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, understanding bias is key. These systems learn from huge datasets that may contain stereotypes or unfair language. If not checked, they can produce biased responses or images. Addressing bias involves making sure data is diverse and fair, and constantly monitoring the results. Techniques like analyzing data for unfair patterns and getting feedback from users help reduce bias. Fixing algorithmic bias is important for building trustworthy AI. It helps ensure decisions are fair and respectful of everyone's rights. By being aware of bias and working to eliminate it, we can develop AI systems that serve all people equally. In the end, understanding bias in data mining is about making smarter, fairer choices that benefit society as a whole.